Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is Anusha from Data Enthusiast Era, and today we have got a neat little tutorial for you. We are going to walk through how to create a user on Linux, but there was a twist. We will give the user a non-interactive shell. This is especially useful when you need a user who won't need access to the terminal, like for backup agents or automated scripts. And all this is happening on App Server 2 as per this task. So let's dive in. To accommodate the backup agent tool specification, the system admin team at Xfusion Corp Industries requires the creation of a user with a non-interactive shell. Here is your task. Create a user named Ravi with a non-interactive shell on App Server 2. So here are the user details. Let's open and let's open this terminal in a new tab. All right. So here it is app server 2. This is app server 2. Let's SSH to that. SSH. We need to give user @ IP address. Are you sure you want to continue connecting? Yes. The password. Let's copy this. Paste. Okay, you might be wondering what is a non-interactive shell. Before we get started, let's quickly talk about what a non-interactive shell is. So normally when you create a user, they can log in interactively, right? They can open a terminal, type commands and get feedback. So a non-interactive shell, on the other hand, is one where the user can't interact with the terminal. It's like a silent shell, perfect for background processes like a backup agent. No user input required. So why would you want to create a user like this? Well, in our case at Xfusion Industries, the backup agent tool needs a dedicated user, but it doesn't need interactive access. So let's try to set this up. So before we create the user, make sure you have root or sudo privileges on app server 2. You will need to access the terminal. So I think you got it right. Great. So let's move on. So let's create the user first. Open your Linux machine or terminal, anything. Let's go ahead and run the following command to create a user named Ravi. Sudo, that is sudo sudo privileges. As a root user, it will take the privilege. User add. We are going to add a user -m -s Sbin. No login. The name it asked for is Ravi. Let's copy this password. Okay. So if we break down this command, sudo is used when if you want to run the command with root privileges. User add, this is the command to add a user. -m, this creates a home directory for the user. And -s login, sbin, no login. Here is where we set the non-interactive shell. This will ensure Ravi can't log in interactively. So the sbin no login path is typically used to deny the shell access. Okay. Now that user is created, let's verify it. Run this command to check the details. Grep, the name is Ravi, etc, passwd. So we could see that there is an entry. So you should see an entry for Ravi and the shell will show Sbin no login, confirming that the user cannot interactively log in. Right? I think, I hope you are clear till this point. Now, why do we do this? Simply by setting the non-interactive shell, we can make the user not to log in. So by setting the non-interactive shell, we ensure that Ravi can still run process in the background like our backup agent without the risk of someone logging in into the system using that account. It's a secure and efficient way to handle the automated tasks. So if you need to assign Ravi to specific groups, say for example backup tasks, you can do that with usermod command. That is sudo usermod -a g backup Ravi. So this command adds Ravi to backup group, giving them the necessary permissions to handle the backup tasks. So this group itself does not exist. That's why we are getting this issue. If that group exists, it can add Ravi to that group by using this command. So if you check this, yeah, and there you go. You have successfully created a user with non-interactive shell on this app server. So this setup ensures your system is more secure while allowing automated tasks to run without manual interference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tech tutorials and tips. Let me know in the comments if you need any help with any other Linux tasks or DevOps tips. Let's catch up in the next one, and until then, keep exploring the world of technology. Thank you.